This is a fix for the main hatch leak that I'm getting. What's happening is I slid the hatch out. The hatch is sitting right there on the deck. But what was happening when it rained, water would go on the top of the plexiglass, and then eventually, because it's I'm slightly bowed down, and actually that if you look at the deck has a kind of a negative rake to it. It's higher here than it is there, so it's about 1 degree down. So what happens is when water goes on top of the plexiglass, it runs underneath and it goes up into this area here. And I've looked in there, in this particular year, 1986, there is no drains underneath there. So water would sit in there and pool, and then eventually it would fill up, and then it would leak down here and then into the cabin. So my fix is going to be, I'm going to make a few videos. First thing I did was slide the hatch out, loosen the tracks, and I also, since I'm going to be raising the tracks are going to be wedged, and I'll show you that in a second. But what I ended up doing was I had to cut this higher because the track's going to sit up higher, and this is how much I took out. I cut that out, and this is going to be teak back in again because you can see the teak has been removed. That's over there to trim. I used one of these Harbor Freight tools. Let me see if I can get a picture of that. That's kind of looks like an old cast cutter. Harbor Freight makes that. And the track is unscrewed, and the track is coming out here. I'm doing a video, and I'll show you in a few phases. So this is the first one for now.